प्रोजेक्ट की समझ आ गई है कि टेम्पररी एफर्ट है इसमें, ठीक है, टेम्पररी एफर्ट मतलब एक दिन काम स्टार्ट करा, आपको बिल्डिंग मिल रही है, 1 जनवरी से काम स्टार्ट हो रहा है, राइट, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू एंड अप ऑन द 2 जनवरी, not second, ये those 2020, and this is going to end up on 2021. This is temporary, एक दिन खत्म होना है. The human example of human being, it's also temporary. Definition, please समझ आ रही बात की प्रोजेक्ट का डेफिनेशन क्या है? Now you will be understanding the more clear way when I am going to explain you about the operation. ये चीजें बन चुकी, everything is done, the airport is done, bridge is constructed, building is done, this pipeline is done, this everything is done. Now what is the next thing? Daily routine work. This to maintain this airport flights, you need your staff to work on daily routine, right? You need operation going on. It requires maintenance. अगर कोई चीज खराब हो जाती है आपको उसको फिक्स करना पड़ेगा टू मेक इट रिलायबल. सो दैट फेज, देखो प्रोजेक्ट पहली दफा जब एयरपोर्ट बना, until the deliverance, that would be project phase. Until the delivery of this bridge, from design to construction to delivery, that was project phase. Building बन गई, restaurant बन गया, अब जब तक वो deliver हुआ, that was project phase. But now onward, to maintain that product, right, you need daily routine work, you need maintenance, you need operations going on. So it requires maintenance to make a reliable product. So that is called operation phase. So if we define this operation phase, it means ongoing repetitive activities that organizations perform to maintain their business. Road pehli dafa ban raha tha, that was under the project management. But once that road is done, delivered, now transportation is allowed. Cars are going on, trucks are going on. With the passage of time, there are some patches disrupted, destroyed. एक staff होता है जो maintenance करने वाला होता है. Same like in building, same like on pipeline. The people who are going to maintain during the operations are called this phase is going to be called operations. ये कहाँ पे keywords है? Ongoing, repetitive activities है, right? और identical results होते हैं इसके. At the end identical, उसको ठीक करना है बस, build नहीं करना, just to maintain identical results. In project, unique results. In operations, identical results. Are you okay with these concepts? The basic definition of project and operation. I will be giving you, this is the project. Okay, this is operation. ONM भी बोलते हैं इसको. And here you are actually construction of the building. Once this building is delivered, it is converted into hospital. Now during the lifespan of that hospital, you are going to maintain, you are going to take care about the lift, you are going to take care about the electrical items and all that. That is operation phase. इसको हम green field बोलते हैं. Project is called green field works. This is called brown field works, right? This is investment phase. This is revenue generation phase. So in which phase you are working right? Greenfield works or brownfield? Please, I need to know about your profile in the chat box area. Write it. If you are working in project side, that is greenfield, write there greenfield. If you are working under maintenance or operations, you are working in brownfield works. Please let me know in the chat box area. Thank you. Everybody should write. And the very basic definitions. Okay. So here we are. We are supposed to learn about project management using Primavera P6, which is called EPC planning, specialized kind of thing. But we need to understand project management is the application of knowledge, whatever we have gained in universities from books, that is called knowledge, skills, what we are gaining in this session, tools, Primavera P6, Excel, and other software-oriented tools, techniques, the processes which we are going to take under study as per best practices. So project management actually, अगर कोई बंदा define करने के लिए बोले, this is a knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques. These 4 keywords used if somebody is going to ask you in job interview to project activities to meet the project requirement. This is a definition of project management. Because as a engineer, I'm going to transform my career from engineer to planning engineer. So planning engineer project management को implement करता है. So we need to understand the definition. There will be knowledge areas, there will be skills, there will be techniques, there will be tools, right? Do you understand the definition? So this project management, how this project management will be implemented on building construction project? रोड, एमईपी, पाइपलाइन, कंबाइंड साइकिल पावर प्लांट, सोलर का प्रोजेक्ट है, वट एवर, we are going to divide this project management in a context of project life cycle into 5 groups के अंदर हम project management को 5 हिस्सों में divide कर रहे हैं. This slide is very important, very important. Everybody is going to understand. Either you are, just imagine first of all, there are, every project there are certain stakeholders like client, project owner, project advisors, the senior people, the consultants, and the project developer, which is called contractor or service company, right? So there are major stakeholders. Now I will be dividing this project management, to which I call project life cycle. इसको समझने की कोशिश करेगा. Project life cycle, इसको हम 5 हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. The first one is called initiation phase, the second one is planning, the third one is execution, then monitor and control, and then closing phase. This is going to give you the complete journey of understanding of this course and the industry oriented process. के industry के अंदर, either you talk about Gulf region, either you talk about Aramco, ADNOC, construction, oil and gas development, all these companies are going to follow such kind of project life cycle. So how any project is going to take start, like कैसे एक शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है, how it is going to start, initiate phase, right? So this phase, the first one is called initiate phase. The first thing is feasibility. You are going to start a building, road, MEP, solar ka project, anything. The first report you are going to define is called feasibility. Within feasibility, you are going to talk about that how much this product is feasible with respect to cost. Is there any alternative? क्या इसके अलावा, मतलब, at the end of the day, you have to consider your benefit. So it would be called cost benefit analysis. Cost benefit analysis. You are going to make it. This is senior engineer, senior consultant people are going to take analysis. I'm going to give you each and everything, like project management को किस तरीके से implement किया जाएगा. So during this feasibility, they are going to take one study about that building, about that road, how this road is going to make earn money for us at the end of the day when it will be delivered. Cost benefit analysis report. The second one is technical viability report. Like technically, this technology is okay to construct this project, or we should go for another alternative technology. This building is feasible to build over here, or we need to select some other location. This road route or pipeline route is okay, or we should go for another alternative. This refinery is okay over here, or we should go for another location. Technical viability. That is called feasibility study. Once this feasibility is done, we are going to proceed for another project. For another milestone, which is called conceptual design. Okay. After this approval of feasibility, we will be proceeding towards the conceptual design. Very basic level, not basic, very, conceptual design. You are only going to make understanding with your different kind of stakeholders. Like building बनेगी तो conceptual design के अंदर basic level पे location आ जाएगी, location define होगी, higher level cost define हो गई, right? The purpose define हो गया, project का purpose, definition of project, objectives, those are the important points. And then pre-feed and feed. Feed, what does mean by feed? Front end engineering design. I will be writing here, front end engineering design. Front end engineering design, right? What does mean by that? This is also another meaning, basic design. From this conceptual design to the basic design. Pre-feed, it means all those requirement of the data which you are going to prepare. जो आप इसके अंदर ये सारे milestones हैं, step by step किस तरह से इन चीजों को लेके चलना है, right? So basic design. Here you are going to give the next detailed version of conceptual design, right? What are the important points inside this, like design packages? आप एक बिल्डिंग का प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो, उसमें डिजाइन पैकेजेस का मतलब है सिविल के डिजाइन, मैकेनिकल के डिजाइन, एमईपी के डिजाइन, पाइपिंग के, फायर फाइटिंग के. If pipeline project is there, then there are isometric drawings, fabricational drawings, structural drawings, different kind of design packages with civil engineering, electrical, mechanical, कौन सा डिसिप्लिन, सबको कैटेगराइज करना, आप फीड के अंदर ये सारी चीजें बना लेते हो. आई एम गोइंग टू गाइड यू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑयल एंड गैस एंड